That invisible slime inside a standard water bowl is silently destroying your cat's health. If you touch the inside of their bowl, you will feel a slippery layer called biofilm. This is a toxic colony of harmful bacteria that thrives in stagnant water. Drinking from it daily triggers painful feline acne under their chin, urinary infections, and chronic dehydration because cats instinctively avoid dirty, still water. Upgrading to a flowing, stainless steel water fountain provides crisp, oxygenated hydration and completely eliminates this exact danger.